I gotta get up. Reminiscing about the paper when the niggas sit up. I'm on the block and brush my teeth, but me, I'm still a winner. My clothes we stain, but don't say it, cause me, I'm still a killer.
Round 1, fight.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to the video. Round 1 of the first Friday Spar session. I'm gonna get right into it. First round, I was just testing that jab, seeing how he would react to my jab. And slowly I start adding in, a little hook or a little 1-2. But for now, I'm just working with him, getting a feel for some range, getting a feel for that jab, seeing how he reacts to it, and then slowly in the next rounds we get a little active. So just moving a little slow right now. Boom, right there. I tested that hook. He blocked it. But again, I'm just testing my range, using that jab, seeing how he'll react to it. So now I'm starting to press him a little bit more, putting a little bit more pressure with that jab, just to see if I could get inside, get a little inside work, see how he moves on the inside. As you can see, I'm applying that pressure. Now, I'm cooling off, back and I'm back to that jab, back to the basics, working that range, making a move around the ring. You see now throwing in that 1-2, doing that 1-2, just to see how he would react to it. Now there I am moving around, testing my jab, testing that hook, letting him throw a couple punches. Right there, his gloves had gotten tied, but we back into it. Now that I got a better feel for range, I just countered that 1-2. I hit him with that jab. I'm really just using my basics, my jabs and my 1-2s, my basic defenses, just to counter his 1-2s and counter his jabs. I started to notice that he kind of drops his hands, so right here, watching him, boom, I hit him with the hook. And I also seen that when he throws that jab, he drops his other hand. So you can see me kind of try to get in another hook once he throws an uppercut. Once he throws that jab, there's another hook, another one. Boom, right there. Caught him with that uppercut. And again, he keeps dropping that hand, so boom, I hit him with another one. Then right there, I hit him with a body shot. You can see him kind of clinch up, trying to cover his body a little bit more. I don't want to apply too much pressure on him right here because it was just a spar. Remember, guys, we're both beginners. Now I'm just trying to use my defense, varying that jab, a little bit of head movement, my step backs, just trying to counter his jab and his 1-2s. And you're gonna see me land one of these counters. Again, he kept dropping that hand, so boom, I hit him with another uppercut. That concludes round 1. Round 2, I didn't get most of the beginning, but this is most of round 2. Right here, I just started to pick up the pace a little bit. he was moving around a lot, so I was just trying to follow him around, try to corner him and apply a little bit more pressure on him. You can see here as I get into closer range, I keep my hands up, but I raised my elbows a little too high. He could have landed some body shots in there, but as you see, I'm applying more pressure. I accidentally hit him on the back of the head right there, and so he got his 3 seconds or whatever. But yeah, round 2, trying to apply a little bit more pressure, trying to get him into the corner a little bit, just to teach him, like, hey, you can't keep running, you gotta throw some punches. And again, I'm watching him throw these jabs and these hooks, and he's dropping his other hand. And you see right there, I tried to hit him with the uppercut, but I missed. But boom, right there, I caught him again. He dropped that hand and I hit him with that uppercut. Now I'm just trying to catch him with that uppercut, and boom, right there, hit him with another one. And you're just gonna see me hit him with another one right here, boom. Just to teach him, like, hey, keep that hand there. Okay, so this is round 3. Round 2 cut off a little early. Round 3, I don't have as much of it, but this is all I have. So, round 3, I was trying to go for the body, not so much of headshots, trying to get on the inside, catch that body. He was getting a little confident, getting a little aggressive, but I still kept my guard up, went for that body. Trying to throw some hooks, uppercuts to the body, basically staying on him so he can't throw as many punches. So that concludes my first Friday spar. That was my first official spar session. Other than that, I really just be fighting with my cousins. Those aren't really official. I had a second spar, but I didn't want the video to go on too long and bore you guys. But I might post that one in a different video talking about all the things I did wrong. So if you guys want to watch that, subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for another one. Peace.